Okay, so we're right over here off of Moody, and as you can hear, the car just went by there. We are seriously right on Moody, which is one of the busier streets. It's one of the kind of cross streets here in the Orange Park area. I'll show you this way a little bit better so you're not getting the lights there. But you'll see there's a lot of traffic flow, a lot of cars right here. There's going to be another car that's going to come by here in just a second. So, but you are right along one of the higher traffic flow areas. So this house is right there. That's the house we're going to go take a look at. Right across the street, let me flip this around. You got the First Christian Church. You got the Discovery Child Care. Right there is the Orange Park Community Center, which is where they end up having some smaller plays and musicals and stuff like that. Right around the corner is one of the Humane Society buildings. Just past this, right over this direction, you have two roads here that are going to go up towards one there, as you see the car driving by, and one down here that'll go back up towards the shopping center back over to Blanding Boulevard. And over on Blanding Boulevard, that is our main drag that goes right through the heart of Orange Park. You're going to have the health fitness place. There is going to be a Starbucks. There is Big Lots, U-Haul, a couple other stores. And all this is within walking distance. I mean, it is seriously like right behind where you see the tree line right there. So you're right off of Moody. So if you don't mind having the noise of the cars, I was just in there. I didn't hear a lot of the vehicles at all while I was inside. Unless you have a big truck or a motorcycle go by, I don't think you really would hear very much. But it's still a possibility. You still have a train that's not going to be that far away either. So, but let's go take a look at the house. Okay, first thing to me is you get the garage open, and I'm not sure why they had the garage door open unless they're having some issues. We walked around the backyard just a little bit ago, and there is some wood issues along the trim pieces here. You can see some separation coming open over here. They may have a cat that they're trying to harbor there, but you have areas here where some of the paint has come off. Coming around the side, I mean, the house is fenced in, and your fence line is about, let me get this thing straight, your fence line is about there. It is a stucco house on the outside. Roof doesn't really look that bad. From down where I'm at, I would definitely have a roofer take a look at it though. I mean, the house is really not that old, and it looks really nice from the outside just for first appearance. But as we're starting to get a little closer, you start seeing some other stuff that's there. So let's go on inside. Okay, as you come in, you have kind of a little front entryway here. Kind of cute, made out of tile. So you got a little doorway there, and a second doorway here that leads into the living space. We're gonna go this way though, into the dining room. It's definitely yellow, but it's got the nice trade ceilings, knockdown type of ceilings so it don't have popcorn. And how much people love popcorn anymore. You got a nice border that goes all the way around. Gives a nice little touch into the kitchen. White appliances. This looks like an upgraded Korean countertop. Microwave, stove, dishwasher. Little pantry area there. There's your refrigerator. 42-inch cabinets, which is really nice. You have the nice up area where you can put some decor. It does have crown molding that you can see. Nice ceiling fan for part of the eat-in part of the kitchen. Nice sink. It's got the pull down thing for the area there. We're gonna come here first, and then we're gonna go back to the master. So I apologize, it's been off and on cloudy and rainy, so I'm gonna knock this down just a little bit. There we go. So you got a wood burning fireplace, which is really nice. Kind of look back around. So you can put your TV over on this side if you want. That wall is kind of interesting because you have the little like space here. I don't know if I can get the lights to turn. Okay, for some reason the ceiling fan light is not working. So they've got their TV there. I'm sure you could probably put the TV on this wall, or Maybe back on this wall where the cabinet is here. Okay, come back around. You can see your laundry room is going to be right here. Okay, master bedroom. Decent size. It's got, again, the trade ceiling. Yeah, I speak good English. It's got hardwood flooring in here. This is the tongue and groove that you can get over at Home Depot, Lowe's, that sort of stuff. So, got a nice jacuzzi corner tub. Here's your shower. It's not really that big. A person my size might have problems with it. A water closet. But you get the nice jacuzzi tub there. Looking pretty good. The double sinks here. Nice walk-in closet here. Good space. Come back on through. Welcome back to the garage. Come down this way, back through the living space. And carpet needs to be replaced. It's looking kind of old. This is a 9x10 room. Does not have the closet doors on it right now. I'm not sure where they are. Come back down to the hallway. You got, looks pretty good for the most part. You got a little gap there. Needs to be cleaned up a little bit. But I mean, the tile at least looks pretty good, pretty clean. Your sink is not that bad. Over this way again, you got carpet that needs to be replaced in this room as well. This is probably a 10x10 room, so it's not really looking that bad. Let's go take a look at the garage first, and then the back door. And I see one thing right there. You have the threshold is missing, where the carpet and the wood meet. So we'll head out the back door here. That's if I unlock it. You have some staining down here on the cement. That's easy to take care of with a pressure washer. It is not a very big backyard, but it is fenced in all the way around. And you can see that the sun has finally come out. It's been raining most of the day, so the backyard is pretty dry. That's what the back of the house is going to look like. It is a stucco house on the outside. Looks pretty good. You got an area right there on the chimney, and there a little bit of warping and some wood rot possibly coming down. But this area here could easily be screened in because you already have the cement slab there. So you got definite wood rot down here. There. Also on this side. I don't know if that's termites or if that's, I don't know. We definitely need to have a person take a look at that. You got stuff along the back over here also. This is a little alarming here is what we're seeing. Let's go take a look at that garage. This house is actually being sold as is, which seeing damage there is not a good sign. And for some reason they've got the garage door wide open. They do have some wood pieces in here. Why, I'm not sure. Air conditioner is a 2017, but if you look at the dirt and kind of areas, I mean, it needs to be cleaned, definitely. Same thing with the water heater here, it needs to be cleaned a little bit. So, I mean, they don't really have a lot of stuff in here, which is nice, but the garage door is wide open down at the bottom. So, let's go take a look at outside. Okay, so decent sized rooms. decent size of a house. The living space, the kitchen's pretty nice. They've done some upgrades on some counters and stuff like that. If you're okay living this close to the street, as you hear the cars are just constantly going by here. If you're okay with living this close to the street, it's really not that bad of a house. My main concerns on this house is a as-is house. And what I mean by an as-is house is the sellers are not going to do anything on this house in order to try and fix it up to get the mortgages or anything else through. So you got to make sure the house is going to be up to what you want. I decided to get away from a little bit of the traffic noise and everything, but also to kind of show you back along here where you can kind of see along the bottom there. Let me try and get into the shadow. Maybe you can see a little bit better here. You have some staining that is all along the bottom of the house also. All along here. So let me try and, where we go? You have some staining down along the bottom of the house here. That's also a little bit of surprise. But anyways, let's go back to talking about an as-is house. As-is house means that the seller is not going to do any type of repair on the house. So you're buying the house in the current condition that it is. And to me, that's a little alarming with the wood rot that I'm seeing. I don't know if that's wood rot, if that's termites, what exactly that is. If it is termites, you could always end up having it repaired and fixed, but some people don't always want to live in a house with termites. This area, you're not that far away from the river, so it is potential that you have termites. My suggestion is have a home inspector come through. There's one of the cars with the noise. My suggestion is have a home inspector come through and make sure that the house is worthwhile and that there's no issues or problems with the house. And home inspector, WDO inspector, just do your inspections. Whatever realtor that's going to be out there, make sure they're doing their inspections. So, but if you anything, this is a potential. You never know. Might be something that's great for a fixer-upper on somebody. So. But thanks for watching. This is Tim Holm with Watsonrealtycorp, your home team. This is buying and selling a home is easy, right? Not necessarily. If you have any questions or comments about it, or you want to learn more about the house or other homes in the area, please contact me. Make sure you comment down below. My question to you is, how bad is it wood rot to you? Is that something that is a major issue to you, or could you live with that? I guess the second question is, what if the house does have termites? Is that a house that you can live with as long as you're able to fix it up and get it taken care of and get a termite bond on there? Answer down below and let me know. So, thanks for watching. I do appreciate it. If you like the video, make sure you hit that like button. Make sure you subscribe. That way you get more videos that we end up coming up with. And if anything else, catch you next time.